What have you rebuilt courage after failure? After a big failure, I got depressed. I got disappointed about myself. My self-confidence lower, broken. And in the past, I will try to balance my mind by exercise, by put some pressure to my body, and I will write a note. What did I learn from that lesson? I will find something to learn, find something to do. By and by, the wall will be healed. And when I got the small goal, small achievement in my life, my courage, my self-confidence gain and gain, little by little, until it totally come back. I know no reason, I know no skill to quickly rebuild my courage, and I think it's okay, cause sometimes my courage is not really courage, it's the reckless, and until the event got finished, until we got on the consequence, we pay all debt. At that time, only at that time, we can look back and see either courage or reckless, either scared or smart, what and learn the lesson to improve ourselves.